add some ketchup into the mixture. A little bit of onion powder, not too much. And garlic powder. A little bit of turmeric, just to spice up the flavor. All right. Last but not least, because I don't want them to overcook. I don't like them to be overcooked, so yes. These are carrots. I like them firm and crunchy. All right. So they can steam cook. I don't need them to be very cooked. I don't need them well done. Fire medium. Right now. A scallion. That's my crown. pork. I'm going to put a little bit of pork powder. This is to thicken the gravy a little bit, even though it doesn't need to. But just to add additional flavor. So watch the salt. Allow everything to steam from here. You're watching the Winston Joe cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube. So this is my brown stew pork. This is actually a red pepper. I don't think it's a Scotch Bonnet, it's a red pepper. Red pepper is hotter than the Scotch Bonnet. Alright, so that is my brown stew pork. Lots of goodies in it. Lots of goodies. Lots of wonderful, tasty goodies. Alright, you're watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. We are in phase 2, the final stage. Alright, my friends, I'm going to share. Yes. I'm going to share. I am going to share. Ketchup, very dangerous. It's hot, very hot. Alright, so that's my brown stew pork. That's it. That's my brown stew. That's just like Jay would say, my version. My version. Yes, this is my version. Alright, there we are. And there's a hot pepper. Alright. Again, once more, I'm at the end of the journey. Alright, this is the result of the brown stew pork. Yes. See all that nice, delicious goodies on the plate there? Yes, wonderful. Some nice, delicious, yes, scrumptiously tasty, yummy pork. Brown stew pork with potatoes, carrots, sweet pepper, onions, celery, red pepper, you name it, scallion, garlic, yes, and other spices. It is smelling delightful, wonderful, and it is appetizingly delicious. You're watching the Winston Gel. Yes, Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform.